Matapos ang mahigit isang taon ay muling magbabalik sa ibabaw ng luna itong binansagang mighty ng Philippine boxing, ang dating world title contender at knockout artist na si ASTON Palicte mula Negros Occidental. Galing sa dalawang magkasunod na talo itong si Palicte kontra sa mga undefeated at talagang di kalibreng kalaban, pero muli itong sasabak sa giyera ng suntukan. Kontra pa din ito sa undefeated prospect ng Amerika, ang Japanese-American undefeated na si KATSUMA Akitsugi. Gagawin ang nasabing laban sa Florida ngayong December 12, 10 rounds non-title fight. Ito na ang pangalawang Hapon na makakalaban ni ASTON Palicte. Unang Hapon na kaniyang nakasagupa ay si Kazuto Ioka noong taong 2019 para sana ito sa bakanting WBO World Super Flyweight title, kaso natalo si Palicte via TKO.
Palicte in all sorts of trouble. Ioka looking for the finish line. And that is it! Game!
Habang ito naman ang pangalawang Pinoy na makakalaban ni KATSUMA Akitsugi. Unang Pinoy na kanya nakaharap ay ang Pinoy-American base, si undefeated Arnold Dinong. Tinalo ni Akitsugi ang undefeated na Pinoy via split decision. Sa kabuuan ay 4 na undefeated boxer na ang tinudas nitong si Akitsugi. Isa na siya sa mga top prospects sa bantamweight division. May kasalukuyang record ito na 11 wins, 0 loss, 2 via knockout. Pero sa mga di nakakaalam ay may undefeated boxer na din na tinudas itong si ASTON Mighty Palicte. Ginulantang niya ang buong Amerika nang ma-upset niya ang undefeated American prospect na si Oscar Canto at makuha pa ang North American Boxing Federation Super Flyweight title at ang bakanting WBO Intercontinental Super Flyweight title. Nangyari ito noong taong 2016 sa Las Vegas sa Amerika. Nasundan pa ito noong taong 2019 nang gulatin naman niya ang Amerika nang talunin niya via second round knockout ang nooy undefeated prospect ng Puerto Rico na si Jose Martinez Mercado. Bago ang laban ni ASTON Mighty Palicte kontra sa undefeated Japanese-American prospect KATSUMA Akitsugi, ay balikan muna natin ang dalawang undefeated boxer na tinudas ng Pinoy alias Mighty na si ASTON Palicte.
Palicte, 18 knockouts on his record, 7 coming. We asked Palicte what are the keys to winning. Simple answer.
One of the things that the of and make him pay.
The great record of Oscar Cantu was largely, perhaps,
Ironically, is almost the same thing that the Cantu camp said about
story. And only one way to settle these debate. We'll see how those skills evolve.
was just a robbery. He fought in Mexico. He thought,
Looking right hand.
and he's landing it. He's landing it. He's finding a home for it.
Nice counter punching by Oscar Cantu. We have seen the draw tonight, which is very unusual for our. But the question is, can Cantu,
The big stage, his first fight in Vegas, first.
approaching 3 weeks, and Manny Pacquiao got nice exchange. The great Freddie Roach's wild card gym in Los Angeles. And just very aggressive. The mindset of Aston Palicte.
Not just as a boxer, but outside the ring, he uses his accomplishments. Like that are so hard to score. Oh, and a big left hook snaps back the head of Cantu. Are they wobbly? Do they look like they're still under him?
A fiery main event in progress. And you're seeing it live on CBS Sports Network as they're firing up here at the end of the round. Defending his NABF.
Actually putting him ahead of the cards. You never know, but he seems to be landing the better shots in every engagement as he does right now.
Good left hand by Palicte. In other words. Great counter punching by.
Cantu is the hunter. He's going to stalk his opponent and put him away.
Good move, get out of the way, don't stand in front of the power puncher. Looping left by Aston Palicte. People compare this 25-year-old Palicte to Manny Pacquiao. It's very easy to roll one's eyes. But the one thing about the thing they have in common, they're both absolutely not. Boy, nice round. Good combination by Oscar Cantu. Two guys are really on the radar in their division.
Fight on the horizon for both fighters is definitely the Chocolatito Roman Gonzalez.
We start our 9th round of this scheduled 10-rounder. Palicte calls he got to relax this a little bit there, which is a little bit unsettling at times.
Yeah, he kind of stops and pauses in the middle of action. And he eats a lot of...
Nice counter downstairs. Oscar with a couple of body shots.
Don't hold my breath, right? And right now, it seems like we put on here a knockout at the D. Roy Jones from the promotions has been stacked top to bottom with hungry prospects, evenly matched, that deliver out.
Very well could, and I don't think that's a stretch whatsoever. I don't think that's hyperbole. He's had a devil of a time avoiding the power punching of Aston Palicte.
But he's getting up first. He's landing first this round. It just seems like in the last round and this round, Palicte has slowed down just a little bit. Enough. Oh, as I say it, he cracks.
Big overhand right hand.
Another.
I am known for my barbecue sauce in this match, this fight. Certainly a testament to the willpower. Oscar doubling up on his jab. Avoiding the right hand. Counter-punching expertly well.
Landing the cleaner punches. Again, that little short shovel punch, that right uppercut, sneaks it in, pops back the head, again with it, followed by the overhand from the right. And now Palicte thinking he's walking away with it. He's very confident right now. You can tell by his body language. He believes he did enough to win. Do the judges agree? JR?
By split decision from Bago City, the Philippines. He is the new NABF Super Flyweight and WBO